The Emirates, Arsenal London Stadium. It's the first time in 15 months I'm on a long distance journey on a train, so we will see how it goes. As you can see, there's not a lot of people on a train, so the social distancing is maintained. We're heading into a storm. I'm going to show you that. By the way, you can follow me on Instagram at BigPhilOnline, and on Facebook BigPhilOnline, and on Twitter BigPhilOnline. Just if you want more content and more interaction with me, just follow me on that. I'm gonna show you a couple of views here from the inside of the speeding train, because we are going at the moment. I will tell you actually how fast we are going. At the moment we are going 123 miles per hour, and that is 197 kilometers an hour, so nearly 200 kilometers an hour on a train. Not bad, eh? Not bad. It's hard for me to imagine being back on a public transport on a long distance train after 15 months of that bloody pandemic. To be totally honest, I just can't wait to go back on a plane, but I'm not confident enough yet to go back on a plane. Well, let's get back to business, and by business I mean let's go back to editing video. More stops, and we're gonna be in Edinburgh. Best views of the coastal route from Newcastle to Edinburgh will start now. Just being totally honest, the route between London, King's Cross and Newcastle is quite boring, as you could see. The part between Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh Waverly is really nice. It's about time to arrive in Edinburgh. Oh. arrived. It's time to go home. Oh, 4.5 hours on the train. Jesus, totally forgot about how it actually feels. Edinburgh Waverly. Let's go. Thank you for being today with me. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. If you have any questions about traveling on trains once actually the travel restrictions eased here in the UK, especially in England and Scotland, just drop the comment down below. Oh, so weird to be out and about between people. So weird. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.